The fourth question, we are given that the function f is defined as f of x is equal to 2x positive 7 divided by 5. We are asked to find the value of f of 4 positive f of negative 4. Now what are we given? We are given f of x is equal to 2x positive 7 divided by 5. Now we need to substitute x is equal to 4. So f of 4 is going to be 2 times of 4 positive 7 divided by 5. 2 times 4 is 8 added with 7 divided by 5. 8 added with 7 gives me 15 over 5. 5 divides 15 3 times. So you have f of 4 is equal to 3. So you can write and box it and show it to the examiner. Now for x is equal to negative 4, f of negative 4 is going to be 2 times of negative 4 positive 7 divided by 5. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 added with 7 over 5. Negative 8 added with 7 will give me negative 1 divided by 5. So therefore f of 4 added with f of negative 4 is going to be 3 positive of negative 1 over 5. This can be rewritten as 3 negative 1 over 5. You take the LCM as 5, you get 3, or I would say 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 negative 1, which is nothing but 14 over 5. So this is the value f of 4 added with f of negative 4 gives me a value of 14 over 5. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one is calculate the value of x for which f of x is equal to 9. Now we know, what do we know? We know f of x is equal to 2x positive 7 over 5. Now since f of x is equal to 9, this means 9 is equal to 2x positive 7 over 5. You cross multiply, you get 9 multiplied with 5 is equal to 2x positive 7. 9 5s are 45 is equal to 2x positive 7. So let me write that. So you have 9 multiplied with 5 is 2x positive 7. So 9 5s are 45 is equal to 2x positive 7. You move 7 to the other side, you get 45 negative 7 is equal to 2x. So from 45 you take away 7, what do you get? You get an 8 there and then a 3. So 38 is equal to 2x. I'm going to write this as 2x is equal to 38. Then divide by 2 both sides. 2 gets cancelled. 2 divides 38 19 times. So x is equal to 19 is the solution for this question. Now we are given f of x to be as 2x positive 7 over 5. We are asked to find f inverse of 9. Okay. Now let me take this as y is equal to 2x positive 7 over 5. Now you replace x by y and y by x. So this is going to be x is equal to 2 times y positive 7 divided by 5, and then you rewrite it for y. So this is going to be 5 times x is equal to 2 times y positive 7. So 5x negative 7 is equal to 2y. So you divide by 2 both sides, you get y is equal to 5x negative 7 divided by 2. What is this? This is my f inverse of x, which is 5x negative 7 divided by 2. Now we need to calculate for 9. So when x is equal to 9, I'm going to use this part of this base here. So f inverse of 9 is equal to 5 times of 9 negative 7 divided by 2. 9 5s are 45 negative 7 divided by 2. 45 negative 7 is 38. You divide by 2. 2 divides 38 19 times. So f inverse of 9 is equal to 19. So that's the solution for this question. We move on to the next one. Okay, this is the next question. We have been given 2 lines. So this is the x-axis, the y-axis. So we have a hit here. And we have another hit like this. So this line is L1, this line is L2. The point of hit is 2, 1. This is the intersecting point, and the point of hit here is 2, and the point of hit here is 4. We are asked to find the equation of L1, right? Now L1 passes through, this is 2 and 1, right? Passes through 2, 1 and 4, 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the slope of L1 is given as y2 negative y1 or x2 negative x1, which is 0, negative 1 divided by 4, negative 2, which is negative 1 over 4, negative 2 gives me 2, which is negative 1 over 2. So this is my slope. Okay. Now you see the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is occurring at 0, 2. So this means I can write that here. Since y, you can write it like this. Y-intercept is at 0, 2. This means c is equal to 2. So if the equation of L1 is y is equal to mx plus c, then we have, what do we have? Slope is negative 1 over 2 times x, constant c is 2. So this is the equation of the line. Okay, now this is the second part. Now L2 is given to be as perpendicular to L1. So this means slope of L2 is negative 1 over slope of M1. So what is the slope of M1? Negative 1 over 2. So therefore the slope of L2 is negative 1 over 2, which is nothing but 2. So now the equation of L2 is y is equal to 2 times x plus c. We will have to get the value of c here. Okay, now this is not given, but just to give you additional information. Now this region, this intersecting point is actually at negative 3. Figure not to scale. Okay, I'm just giving you the point of reference. So y-intercept for L2 is at 0, negative 3. So this means c is equal to negative 3. So the value of c will be positive of negative 3, which means y is equal to 2x negative 3. This is the equation of L2. Now they are just asking us to find the slope of L2, but I have provided you with the additional information of calculating or finding the equation of the line L2. Okay.